I wasn't driving this car. I only do minimal burnouts. When you keep a burnout too long, something like this happens to the tire. So it's here, it's a Hellcat, it's got a lot of power. We're changing brand new tires and hopefully it doesn't do it again.
He took it too far.
So over here we got a 4x4 G-Wagen. This vehicle we are taking apart right now. We're gonna wrap it. It's gonna be the same color as the multi-chrome color Aventador you guys saw. Getting crazy feedback on it. This is the same owner as that car. So he's gonna have a matching color scheme on his two vehicles. The G-Wagen I think is gonna look even crazier than the Aventador with this multicolor chrome. So we're taking it apart. We're gonna be starting tomorrow and you guys will see it done. That was bad. This vehicle we're gonna completely wrap, door jambs and everything. We're taking it fully apart right now. A lot of parts to this car. We're going to be wrapping it the same color as the Aventador. So, same owner. We could do a photo shoot with both cars. It's gonna be crazy. Aventador, 4x4, multicolor chrome. Stay tuned.
We blacked out the wheels, we did the emblems, the reflectors. The front guard was chrome, we made it in black. We painted the emblem, we wrapped the front grille, and we powder coated the front guard so it doesn't chip. We also wrapped the moldings. We didn't remove them, so the factory glue is still on there. We left the side steps in chrome because he has some chrome on the car, so we wanted to give some contrast. And of course, an RDB plate. This is a must.
At RDBLA, brand new G63, couldn't be happier with the job. Amazing touches, amazing taste, couldn't be more perfect.
How's it coming along?
It's going good. This wrap, I'm a little concerned because, like I said, it's a very tough wrap. its adhesive is not so strong. So we did a few little tricks to get it to stick better. It's a really cool color, but like I said, we gotta do certain things to make it work on a vehicle. This company pretty much tells you it's not made for a full car, but we're making it happen. So I'm checking out the car, making sure all is going well, and we're speeding through it now once we figured out how to fix the situation. So we're really going in the car now and getting it done. So here we have the stock color, the OEM color, which is that matte gray. Here we have the multi-chrome color, and then when you open the door, you have satin black. So all the jams were matte gray. We did them in satin black already, just to give it a cleaner touch. This chrome will definitely not stick well on the jams, so we didn't want to do the chrome on the jams. We went ahead with the satin black instead of leaving it that gray color. So just little finishing touches. This thing is a real pain in the ass. The material is not sticky enough. It's got a lot of issues, so we had to do a bunch of different things to make it work. We're not using glue. A lot of wrap shops like to use glue, but however, they don't think about the part where when you're trying to take the wrap off, the glue sticks onto the car. It's a big problem to have. So we're almost done. We're about 85% done. The flares are going to go back on, the bumpers are going to get wrapped, we're going to put those on. It's almost done. We can't wait to get it under the sun just like the Aventador we did, except this time it's a big 4x4, so it's going to look crazy under the sun. Passenger side rear flare. This is all carbon fiber, especially made for the 4x4. We wrapped it the multicolor chrome, half of it. We're leaving the carbon fiber behind, so it's gonna look really cool once it's on the car. So this is what's gonna go on next. We're gonna get the car dialed up and get it finished up. And this still. We got another flare left here. One more flare. The skid plate.
And wheels.
The wheels, yep. Look at the portal boxes. Pretty crazy. You can't hide when there's a chrome car, bro. So here we have the 4x4 skid plate for the front bumper. These are very heavy duty. We just got it back from powder coat in gloss black. You cannot paint these, they'll get chipped up real fast, so you gotta powder coat them. Now we actually got the wheels back too, so we'll show you guys the wheels right now. We powder coated these gloss black to go with the overall theme, so these are gonna go final step for the 4x4. Alright, so we finished up the multicolor chrome 4x4 squared. We are test driving it right now, making sure there's no errors, everything works, doors opening, closing, sensors, everything. So we're doing the final checkups, pre-wash. We're going to go back to the shop after and wash it up and finish the car. Alright, so it's about 7 p.m. Friday. We're pretty much closed up, but we wanted to finish up this craziness. Multicolor chrome. We did this on the Aventador, you guys saw it. Now we did it on the 4x4. This is a very tough wrap to put on the vehicle. It's not actually meant for a full vehicle, so we have to do extra things to make it stick. This is a big car with lots of panels. So we got it on there, we're happy with it. It's about sunset. It's crazy right now. All the colors are showing. I hope you guys see it. We did the multicolor chrome. We did the jams in satin black because this vehicle was a gray color. We did a blackout. The wheels have been powder coated gloss black. This car's crazy. Aventador was insane. That's the exotic version, but this is a big tank in this multicolored chrome. Same owner, so hopefully we'll get to shoot both of them together for you guys. But for now, this car is completed. So on to the next one. So leave a comment below on this car, whether it's a funny joke, a name for it, whatever. Leave a comment. We're gonna pick the best creative one and send you guys a free RDB hat. Comment below.